Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Laptop. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users face the frustrating issue of their Lenovo laptop not turning on, and this can happen for a variety of reasons. Often, it's due to a faulty display or an internal component that has failed, and if left unresolved, it may lead to further damage, increasing repair costs. But don't worry, we're here to help you fix it. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Begin by flipping your laptop over and locating the screws that secure the back panel. Carefully remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver, keeping them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, look for the display cable, which is usually a flat ribbon cable connecting the screen to the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Gently disconnect the display cable by lifting the connector latch, being cautious not to apply too much force. Next, inspect the cable for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears damaged, you will need to replace it. To do this, remove any screws securing the cable in place and carefully extract it. Take your new display cable and insert it, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is firmly connected to the motherboard. Now, to close your laptop, simply align the back panel and press it down gently until it clicks back into place. Reinsert all screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly forceful. Finally, flip your laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on to check if the screen displays correctly. If everything works as it should, congratulations on successfully repairing your Lenovo laptop. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you handle your laptop with care, regularly check for updates, and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.